Step back one.
Hi. My name's Jessica. Shut up! I've been in prison for like 5 years.
How are you gonna tell me to shut up when I didn't say nothing? I just laughed.
That was Danny, people. That was
So
Danny.
mean. You're so rude. There's a fact.
I'm not rude. I'm not rude. I'm not. Anyway. I'm 15.
You should put that on YouTube right now.
My favorite color is red. I'm friends with Kimmy and Cassie.
Yo.
Shut.
There's Cassie.
I'm rapping.
I guess my style is, I don't know.
Emo. Crazy emo.
Maybe emo, you know, because I like to cut.
Yeah.
Remember, it's across the street, not down the road. Anyway,
Oh my gosh.
let's see. I'm weird. Stop it!
I'm laughing. I didn't say a word. We know you shut up in this house. You're gonna put me on YouTube, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah, you're already up there. You're already up there.
I like to sing.
Oh, great.
And, what? What?
Wrap it up.
Go on.
Just up and go.
Oh, okay. Yeah, my MySpace is www.myspace.com/jgirlq. Just all lowercase letters. Okay, bye.